Good morning, students. This is Mr. Pijatitis, and also happy Makara Sankranti. I forgot to wish you. Okay, so that's very, I think that's very wonderful day for you to flying kites and celebrating your festivals. We also enjoyed a little. Okay. Anyway, so let's discuss about emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Okay, reflexive and emphatic pronouns. I will explain at the same time. We will have exercise also. Okay, within 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, I will explain that, and also we will have exercise and fill in the blanks. So what is when self-added? When self-added with the pronoun. Okay, with the pronoun. Okay, so self, it is singular. Okay, and selves, it is plural. Okay, so this is called emphatic or reflexive pronoun. And what is the difference between reflexive and emphatic? That we will look later. But need to understand. लेकिन हमें समझने वाली चीज ये है, when self, जब self को pronoun के साथ ऐड किया जाता है, self या selves. अब सेल्फ तो सिंगुलर के लिए हो गया और सेल्फ्स जो है प्लूरल के लिए हो गया. जब ये दोनों चीज को हम ऐड करते हैं प्रोनाउन के साथ, तब ये या तो रिफ्लेक्सिव में कन्वर्ट होता है या तो फिर एम्फेटिक में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो ये एम्फेटिक और रिफ्लेक्सिव में क्या अंतर है, ये चीज तो मैं आपको थोड़ी देर के बाद बताऊंगा. लेकिन अब आपको ये समझना होगा कि रियलिटी में ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन आखिरकार ये है क्या. ओके, तो जैसे कि हमने डेफिनेशन में देखा, वन सेल्फ इज एडेड टू माई, योर, हिम, हिज, इट, एंड सेल्फ्स टू योर, देम, और वी गेट कॉल्ड कंपाउंड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. इसको कंपाउंड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन भी कहा जाता है. तो प्लूरल के लिए क्या क्या है, जैसे यू, योर सेल्फ हो गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही, हिमसेल्फ. ओके, सी, हर सेल्फ. आई, माई सेल्फ. Okay, I, myself. It, self. Okay, ये है एग्जाम्पल जो सिंगुलर के लिए है. प्लूरल के लिए क्या क्या होगा, we, ourselves. Okay, they, themselves. और उसके बाद you, yourselves. अगर ये प्लूरल के लिए कहा जाता है तो सेल्फ्स होगा, नहीं तो योर सेल्फ, ठीक है, नहीं तो योर सेल्फ भी इसको किया जा सकता है। सो मैं भले धीरे जाऊं, है ना, लेकिन आपको प्रॉपरली समझ में आना चाहिए। इट इज नॉट माई इंटेंशन टू गो फास्टर टू फिल योर कोर्स as the formality. Okay, I want to make you proper understand. I will go very slowly, but you should understand that properly. That is my intention. Okay, so this is called emphatic either or reflexive pronoun. So I will write for you some example that you can understand that. Reflexive pronoun, when the action reflexive pronoun, what is called a reflexive pronoun? Okay, what is called a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun. Okay, when the action done by the subject, when the action done by the subject, by the subject turns back or reflects है ना, or reflects upon the subject, upon the subject, upon the subject. As for example, I hurt myself, I hurt myself. तो जस्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ी चीज आपको समझना जरूरी है। व्हेन द एक्शन, जब कोई कार्य सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा होता है, वो फिर से उसी को ही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। जैसे कि आई हर्ट, ये सब्जेक्ट का कार्य क्या होता है, हर्ट। वो हर्ट इसके लिए ये सब्जेक्ट हो गया और एक्शन ये वर्ब हो गया। ये वर्ब होता है, ये कुछ कार्य करता है लेकिन पलट करके उसको ही रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है, ठीक है, इसलिए उसको रिफ्लेक्टिव कहा जाता है। ठीक है, सो और कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स मैं आपको लिख करके बताऊंगा। हो सके तो अगर आज एक्सरसाइज नहीं हो पाया, इफ you will hurt yourself, you will hurt yourself, they will hurt themselves. Okay, we hurt ourselves, we hurt ourselves. So ये है एग्जाम्पल। So this is, you know, when there is a subject, okay, when there is a subject and a helping verb, either verb, immediately either helping verb or verb. So after verb we put here the pronoun, the combination of the pronoun, okay, compound personal pronoun compound personal pronoun. This is called a compound personal pronoun, and a compound personal pronoun has been divided into two, reflexive and emphatic. So compound pronoun जब यहाँ पे आता है किसके बाद, verb के बाद, तभी उसको reflexive pronoun के रूप में जाना जाएगा. When the compound pronoun would come after verb. Okay, you may see the system. First subject, helping verb or verb. There is no helping verb, subject, verb, then compound personal pronoun. जब तुरंत verb के बाद मतलब वो आ जाता है, कौन आता है, compound pronoun, personal pronoun आता है, तो उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now, what is emphatic pronoun? That I will write for you some example. First of all, let me write the definition. Look some sentence. I will do it myself. I will do it myself. Okay. I myself saw him do it. I myself saw him. Okay. Saw him do it. He himself said it. He himself said it. Okay. तो पहला जो एग्जाम्पल था, we hurt ourselves. Okay, we hurt ourselves. So after verb you have seen the compound personal pronoun, that is called a reflexive. तुरंत मतलब verb के बाद जो compound personal pronoun आया उसी को हम reflexive pronoun कहते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे तुरंत subject के बाद आता है. यहाँ पे I myself तुरंत subject के बाद आता है. So ये देखिए आप, I will do यहाँ पे subject नहीं है, लेकिन एक मतलब verb के बाद नहीं है, सब्जेक्ट से पहले आ जाता है. ठीक है ना, सॉरी, उसके बाद आता है, जिसको एम्फोसाइज किया जाता है उसी के बाद ही आता है. तो यहाँ पर ही हिमसेल्फ, ठीक है, ही हिमसेल्फ सेट इट, यानी वर्ब से पहले, वर्ब के बाद वर्ब से पहले. बस ये डिफरेंस को याद रखना है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिफोर वर्ब, if there is any compound personal pronoun, it is called what? It is called emphatic pronoun. If after verb, if there is any compound reflexive pronoun, it is called reflexive pronoun. So that is the difference. इतना ही difference है. So let us write some exercise. Okay, according to this book. Okay, English grammar, Holy Faith, communicative. Okay, this is for 8th class, but those who are studying 6th, 7th standard, they also can follow it. So let us do the exercise. अभी आइए हम exercise को करते हैं. Page number 8. Okay, page number 8, exercise number 5. सो ये डिटेल्स इस बुक में नहीं था, इसका थ्योरी, तो इसीलिए मुझे आपको रैन मार्टिन के बुक से ये सारा थ्योरी एंड डेफिनेशन को देना पड़ा. He looked, number one. So complete each sentence with the pronoun ending self or selves. So now we will do the exercise. He looked. He looked dash. He looked at dash in the mirror. In the mirror. In the mirror. He है, इसके लिए क्या होगा? He himself. Himself. Okay. As for he is there, so that is why we write here himself. Okay. He himself. Number two. Number two, he is very selfish. He is very selfish. He is very selfish. He thinks of. He thinks of dash only. He के लिए himself. Okay. He himself. I picked up a very hot plate and burnt. I picked up a very hot plate. A very hot plate. A very hot plate and burnt. Okay, so this is the dash. So what is subject? Subject is I. So that is why here is myself. Okay. तो ये जो प्रोनाउन आप लिखेंगे, when you write this pronoun, first of all you have to notice subject. According to subject, you have to change your pronoun. Okay. So previous time already I explained that if what pronoun if it's according to subjective and subjective pronoun will be changed into possessive pronoun. Okay. Subjective will be changed into possessive. I am not angry with you. I am angry with. I am not angry with you. Okay. I am angry with dash. I am angry with dash. So I myself. Okay. I के लिए myself. For the I, here it is myself. So if I am very fast, so you can do that, just to make screenshot and you can write further because time is going very fast. 6 number, my friends had a nice time in Delhi. My friends have very nice time in Delhi. Okay. They enjoyed यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What will come here? Themselves. Very easy. That's very simple. They and themselves. I think 5 left, so I will write 5 also. We had a nice time at Simla. We had a nice time. We had a nice time at Simla. At Simla. SHIMLA. SHIMLA. Simla. We enjoyed. We enjoyed. You can see here, we ourselves. Okay, already I taught you how we ourselves, I myself, he himself, she herself, you yourself or yourselves, they themselves or themselves, like the same way you have to change them. This is called personal compound pronoun, and this is divided into 2 parts: reflexive and emphatic. Number 6 is there. Just I will read for you, then you write. Okay? Already I wrote here. You write. Number 7. I want to know more about you. Tell me about this. Okay? There is one person. Once again, I would like to read to you. I want to you more about you. I want to know more about you. Tell me about this. Tell me about this. So in the test you fill here yourself. Okay. Next, goodbye. Have a nice holiday and take care of 2 person. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Dash is there. Take care of dash. जहाँ पे dash है वहाँ पे ये लिखना है yourselves. Okay, there are 2 person. Okay, so next exercise that tomorrow we will see. Next class we will see that. So I hope you have understood it. Again, I would like to request you, if newly you are watching my channel, Please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. At the same time, forward to your friends and relatives or classmates. Thank you. May God bless you.